Okay, hi everybody. In this video we are going to talk about triangle similarities. So what is it? Let's take an example. So if you have a triangle, let's say ABC, and if you have a triangle, let's say XYZ, and it is given in the question that if triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, then we have few formation, or we can say few ratios which should follow. So AB ratio XY equal BC ratio YZ equal AC ratio XZ. This should be the sequence. You cannot take randomly any other sequence, okay? It should follow. So this should be same. The ratio of all this should be same. And angle A should be congruent to, now which angle it should be congruent? So if you see both triangle, A should be congruent to X. Angle B should be congruent to Y. It's in the order, in the sequence, just follow that. Angle C is congruent to X, angle Z. Angle C is congruent to angle Z, and vice versa. So if you see that these ratios are same and the angles are congruent, then you can say triangles are similar. Also, if it is given that triangles are similar, then these properties should follow. Okay, let's talk about some specific type of similarities now. This is the general idea. Okay, now we have some specific type of similarity, out of which first one is angle similarity. So we call it as AA similarity. So how does that work? Again, two triangles. Let's call this as ABC, XYZ. Now in this one, it is given, let's say, this angle and this angle and this angle and this angle. Okay, so now if you look at both of these triangles, and it is given in this, if I look at this directly, I can see that angle B is congruent to angle Y, and angle C is congruent to angle Z, right? And then I can tell that total sum is 90 degrees, so angle A will also be congruent to angle Z, because total sum is 180 degrees. So if you do 180 minus this plus this, you will get angle A, and they both will come same. So in this situation, if two angles are congruent, then you can say the triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. This is type 1. So for example, if I say this is 30, 60, and this is also 30 and 60, then you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay, and this will come out as 90 in both the triangle. Okay, next one. Second, we have side 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 similarity. So again, let's take an example. Let's say triangle ABC, and let's take triangle XYZ. And in the question, if it is given that AB over XY, BC over YZ, and CA over ZX, then also you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. If you don't know this sign stands for similarity. This is how you write it similar. Okay, so let's take an example again. So let's take 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 10. In this case, if you put the values in the ratio, so AB is how much? 3, XY. Okay, in this case I need to, okay, ABC and XY, Z, right? So XY is 10, BC is 4, YZ is 8, and CA, right? CA is, okay, AB is 5, sorry, my mistake. Did I take 3? Okay, yeah. CA is 3 and XZ is 6. So when you solve these ratios, 5 raised to 10, 5 over 10 will give you 1 over 2. 4 over 8 will also give you 1 over 2. 3 over 6 will also give you 1 over 2. So in this case, when the ratios are equal, then you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. If they are not same, so let's say if this is 1 over 2, this is also 1 over 2, and it come out as 1 over 4 or anything else, then you cannot say that these triangles are similar. Okay, let's try last one. The last one, we have side angle side similarity. So how does this work? So let's say you have triangle ABC, and here you have triangle XYZ, and information is given as that angle A is congruent to angle X, right? So let's read. The given information is angle A is congruent to angle X because of this sign, and also it is given that AB over XY is equal CA over ZX. If this is given in the question, when one angle pair is congruent and ratio of two sides are equal, then also you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay, so let's take an example in this case. So let's say if this angle is let's say 45, and let's say this angle is also 45, and in this case if it is 10, this is 5, this is 8, let's take 18, and this is 9. So yep, if it is follows, this angle is 45, this angle is 45, condition 1 met. Condition 2, AB over XY, AB is 10, XY is 5, 10 over 5 will give you 2. CA is 18, ZX will be 9, 18 divide 9 will give you 2. So when this is also same, angle is also same, then you can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. So now when we will go to the questions in part 2 of this video, you need to remember these similarities, and in part 2 I will take some examples and I will apply these similarities. So keep these similarities open, so it will help you to understand questions in part 2. Okay, good luck.